Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start immediately. Power on your Switch and sign into the user account that holds the Let's Go Pikachu progress. Once done, make sure the game is closed and you are at the home menu. You cannot delete save data while the software is running. Now navigate to System Settings, scroll to Data Management, and choose Delete Save Data. This is the first actionable step because entering the correct settings prevents accidental deletion under the wrong user. You now execute the core procedure. In the Delete Save Data menu, locate Let's Go Pikachu and select it. Next, pick whether to delete the save for this specific user or for all users on the console. Choose carefully because that determines whose progress is removed. When prompted, read the confirmation text slowly to verify you selected the right user. Confirm the delete action. This removes the local save permanently, so pause and double-check before you accept the prompt. You finish by restarting the Switch and launching Let's Go Pikachu to confirm that the game starts with a new save file. If the old save still appears, make sure you deleted the correct user's data, check other users on the console, and repeat the delete process if necessary. Also, if you rely on cloud backups, verify them first. If a cloud sync restored the save, disable sync, or delete the cloud copy as needed. Troubleshoot by ensuring the console is fully updated, and then retry.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.